Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be replacing the upper timing cover gasket on my MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by removing this intake pipe. I did a relocation mod, so this is not a necessary step when the intake pipe is in the stock location. I disconnect the electrical socket, and now I'm going to start to remove the screws that's holding on the upper timing cover. I'm working in a tight space, so I'll be switching back and forth with different tools to get the screws out. I'm going to disconnect the oil dipstick tube to slightly move it out the way and to prevent it from breaking while I'm removing the upper timing cover. To remove the lower part of the dipstick tube, I use a flathead screwdriver and gently twist and pry it. I have loosened all the screws, and now I'm going to carefully remove the upper timing cover. Now I'm going to remove the old gasket. I'm also going to remove this front camshaft seal. This is a new timing cover gasket that I'm going to install. This is a new camshaft seal that I'll be installing. This side have 3 lines that goes towards the outside. This is what it looks like when the gasket and seal is on. Now I'm going to reinstall the upper timing cover. I'm going to remove the old O-ring from the camshaft bridge. This is a new O-ring that I'll be installing. I reinstalled the lower part of the oil dipstick tube, and now I'm going to reinstall the camshaft adjuster. All the parts and tools that I've used for this O-ring and gasket replacement, I will have them listed in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And that's going to be it for this gasket O-ring and seal replacement. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.